This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is physics homework number 13, question number 9. It says a 29-kilogram child sits in a swing supported by 2 chains, each 3.9 meters long. So I've got a child on a swing, and I've got 2 chains. So there's my child sitting on the swing. The acceleration of gravity is 9.8. If the tension in each chain at the lowest point is 156 newtons, find the child's speed at the lowest point. Neglect the mass of the seat. So this child is hanging on to the swings and going around in a bit of a circle. So at the lowest point, I'm interested in what's going on. Well, if I had a free body diagram at the bottom, I would see that I've got gravity in a downward direction, and I've got 2 chains pulling up. So I've got 2 chains pulling up, which would each have a force of tension in them. I know that the total tension up, total gravity down is going to not equal out. Because if it did equal out, this kid, when they were swinging, if they were equal, then that would lead to a straight ahead motion. But instead of moving straight, it moves up. So I know that this tension must be greater than gravity. How much greater? Well, enough that the net force is going to make him move in a circle. So I know that my net force is going to be a centripetal force. So what is the net force here? It turns out it's going to be my 2 force of tensions minus my force of gravity, because these are greater than this one. So add these up, subtract gravity, and I wind up with my centripetal force. So if the centripetal force is tension plus tension minus gravity, I also know that that is going to be mv squared over r, because it's my centripetal force. So my tension in each chain is 156 newtons. So this is 156. This is another 156. The force of gravity is going to be this 29-kilogram child moving at acceleration of 9.8 meters per second. So this is going to be 29 times 9.8. Now all of that is going to be equal to my mv squared over r. So that's going to be my mass of 29, my v squared, which I don't know, divided by my radius, and my radius is the length of these chains, which is 3.9 meters. 3.9 meters. So if you do twice 156, subtract that, multiply by 3.9, divide by 29, and square root, you will get yourself your velocity, the speed the swing is moving.